Hello guys, today we are going to see how to pair the new RF remote control for your Videocon D2H set-top box. So I already had this old one with me which was not working properly from past few days, so I bought this new one. The only difference I can see is this has the round cell in it, the old one which I had, and I think the new one which we get is having two AAA pencil cells. So I bought this from local market for around 250 bucks, which is not bad. So very quickly we'll see how to pair this new remote to our set-top box. So first I'll switch on my TV and set-top box. So in the set-top box right now you can see a red light over here, and this denotes that the set-top box is off. So at the back of the set-top box you will see a reset key. You can easily see that reset key behind the box. Okay, so to press the reset key for around 15 seconds, so I'll quickly just press it, see what happens. Okay, so the light has turned blue and it has switched off after holding it for 5 seconds. I'm still holding it. And I can see the screen like this. So it's saying please wait, download in progress. So I guess the entire set-top box has reset, and yeah, it will download the data first. So we'll wait for this to happen. So as you can see, we are almost done with the process of downloading the software. The screen has went black. The D2H light is still blue and I can see no signal. Okay, now it has turned red. So I'll very quickly press the red power button from my old remote. So it has turned blue now, and I guess that the set-top box has turned on. It's showing new software downloaded is successful. To return to your program, press OK. So press OK. So my set-top box has started. Now I will try to use my new remote, and as you can see it's not working. So we will need to pair this up. So for pairing, you need to press the star button for 7 seconds and then press OK twice. So we'll quickly do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and press OK 2 times. So it doesn't work for me. We try again. Okay, so on your display you get this. So you just type 179 and press OK. So your pairing is successful, and as you can see the new remote is working completely fine now. So guys, after doing this process, you need to reset your set-top box. Now for resetting, you have to simply go into the menu, setup. In the setup, go to factory reset. All current settings will be lost. Press OK to confirm. So you will again see a black screen. It will say that your set-top box is booting. Now guys, you have to do this step because you have to turn your set-top box to the old default settings so that your new remote doesn't get unpaired again, because most of the time new software updates are pushed into the set-top box, and in that process the remote gets unpaired. So to ensure that your remote doesn't get unpaired in future, you have to do this step. So that all the settings go to the default and you don't face any problem in the future. You will see that it has went to the scanning satellite mode and it's scanning all the channels. Basically your transponder is scanning all the channels to reset your set-top box. So as you can see, our set-top box has started again. We will check whether our new remote is working or not. It's working absolutely fine. All the channels are getting browsed. My volume is getting. I'll also check. I'll operate this remote from here and see if volume is getting low or not. So it's getting lower and up. I'll mute it. It's getting low. So my RF remote is perfectly fine. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can comment below. Thank you.